Okay, I'm making homemade sweet and sour sauce. For this, you'll need water, brown sugar, cornstarch, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, and ketchup. I'll go ahead and put the amount of each up on the screen. And what you'll do is just whisk it together in a small pot over medium heat. So you're going to whisk together as it warms up. Keep stirring until it's all well mixed. And it'll get thicker as you stir it. And then after about 5 minutes, you'll go ahead and turn it off, and it'll thicken up as it cools. Enjoy! My sweet and sour has cooled just a bit, so it's nice and thick. Smells delicious. Now if you want a little bit more sweet, add some more brown sugar while it's cooking. If you want a little more tangy, add some more vinegar. So again, just kind of up to you while you're cooking. Again, you can store this in an airtight container for maybe up to a week in the refrigerator.